Welcome to this Flipdish tutorial on enabling and customizing tipping. I'm now going to hand you over to one of our product managers, Laurent, to take you through how easy this is to set up using the Flipdish portal.
So if you currently go to the portal, of which you should normally have access, if you go to your store settings, you should normally have all the stores you have available. If you click to the store that you'd like to make any changes for, you under the navigation should normally have your tipping service here. If you click tipping, you'll see this nice little UI where you can basically enable disable tipping, where you can configure your tipping values and where you can also have a pre-selected rate. So quick introduction, enable disable. Obviously if it's disabled, that means tipping will not be visible in the product. The tipping percentages is basically what is going to be shown to the user, and then the pre-selected rate is something that will be pre-selected on the checkout screen. So if you, for example, pre-select 10%, then this will be by default pre-selected, and 10% tip will be pre-selected for the customer. So let's say, for example, that we want to change our tipping percentages. Let's go for 5%, 7%, 10%, 12%, and 15%, and we want our default pre-selected rate to be 10%. So this saves automatically. There's nothing you need to do. Automatically saves. If you then go to your selected store and you basically go to the front end, you add something to your baskets. If you then go to the checkout screen and you take one of the card payments, to note that cash will obviously not work for tipping, so you need to take something like PayPal or Apple Pay, anything has been configured for you. And this will then basically show your tipping values. If you then, as you can see, pre-selected 10%, you can easily just change these around and the tipping value changes as well.